China's space station. Is it the future of space exploration? High above Earth, quietly orbiting at over 27,000 kilometers per hour. A new space station is changing the future of space exploration. While the world has long watched NASA and the ISS dominate the skies, a new player is making bold moves. And it's not from the West. This is Tiangong, China's very own space station. And it may soon be the most important platform in low Earth orbit. How does it compare to the International Space Station? And what does it mean for the future of space travel? Let's find out. In the past, China was barely a part of the space conversation. But in just the last 2 decades, China's space agency CNSA has quietly become a global powerhouse. They've launched satellites, sent rovers to both the Moon and Mars, and now they've built their own space station completely independent of the West. Unlike the United States, China is not part of the International Space Station program, mainly due to political and security concerns. So instead of waiting for an invitation, they built their own platform and named it Tiangong, meaning Heavenly Palace. Launched in 2021, Tiangong is a modular space station, built to last at least 10 to 15 years. It consists of 3 core modules: Tian, the core module where astronauts live and work; Wenchen, the science laboratory module; and Mengchen, the second lab module, added in 2022. Together, these form a small but highly efficient outpost in space. Though smaller than the ISS, Tiangong is newer, cleaner, more automated, and built entirely by China's own technology, including its rockets, life support, and power systems. Each Tiangong mission carries 3 astronauts or takonauts, who stay aboard for up to 6 months at a time. Inside, the station is equipped with sleeping pods, gym equipment, science labs, and communication systems to speak with students on Earth. But it's not just about comfort. Tiangong is a research hub, conducting experiments in microgravity, space medicine, fluid dynamics, and biotechnology. China is using this platform to test the limits of human health and technology, crucial steps toward future deep space missions. So how does it compare to the ISS, the current centerpiece of human activity in space? The ISS is larger, more international, and has been operating since 1998. But it's aging, with plans to retire by 2030. Tiangong, on the other hand, is brand new, fully functional, and built to be independent. While the ISS relies on collaboration from the US, Europe, Japan, and Russia, Tiangong is entirely Chinese, though China has said they may open it to international partners in the future, especially from Asia, Africa, and developing nations. But China isn't stopping here. They plan to launch a massive space telescope called Zhunshan, which will fly alongside Tiangong. They're also working towards sending astronauts to the Moon by 2030, and potentially building a permanent lunar base. And with Mars already in their sights, with the ISS nearing retirement, Tiangong could soon become the only active space station in orbit. This raises big questions. Will China lead the next generation of space exploration? Will other countries join them or compete with them? And how will this reshape the balance of power beyond our planet? Whatever the future holds, one thing is clear. The stars are no longer just America's playground. China is here, and they're reaching for the sky. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, tap subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Do you think China's space station is the future of exploration? Thanks for watching, and stay curious.